Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to hide and unhide rows in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet. Then see this document. Click select any single rows or select multiple rows or hold Control or hold Shift. Example, I hold Control. Then select randomly. Then right click on your mouse. View more row actions. Sorry. See this hide rows. Click here and now we can see this hide rows and see this icon. Click unhide rows. Use shortcut key. Select, then select rows, then hold Control Alt press 9 and see this hide rows. Unhide. Click this icon. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.